Panguva ine zvonzi Hopewell Chimwono is a spy. Panapa ZVAITWA inobudanyira chiti list of women, men, plus vulnerable people endangered by Hopewell Chimwono since 2014, including some who he led to his GCPT house claiming he is their daddy figure include. Salavina mashoko anobuda panapa ilist inokombailwa neZVAITWA pamusoro pevanhu vanoratidza kuti they were endangered by Hopewell Chimwono. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipita ZVAITWA inonyora number 1 TSHABANGU President NELSONCHAMISA, from whom Chimwono needed political endorsement before turning to destroy his party and career. Number 2, rape trial complainant at Sadc in 2014 against whose safety Chimwono competed with the rape suspect to lay her into an affair. Number 3, NHS expert Grace Mvurutsa, who Hopewell Chimwono has falsely claimed was sent to a media outfit for an interview on 18 August 2020, something that did not happen, and Mvurutsa had shot her son live video the day before on 17 August 2020. Number 4, several women and tortured activists in the civil society upon whom the army was unleashed after Chimwono advised the Minister of Defense to deploy security forces in order to achieve the avoidance of political tension. Number 5, several women who have requested anonymity and state they were approached in their inbox windows for an affair. Number 6, Chimwono's colleague Jennifer Banyore, who the journalist encouraged to sabotage Gatwick Airport records, leading to an attempted hacking hit on 26 August 2024. Number 7, analysts allege that Chimwono is a spy. Check his record. He makes sure that anybody who matters in Zimbabwe politics owes him something in order to shut them from speaking against him or challenge the status quo. Ndo mashoko pamwe evidence nobva postwa neZVAITWA vachiti aiwa panapo Hopewell Chimwono aiwa aratidza kuti aiwa is not a proper authentic journalist, vachiva vachimuti aiwa this guy panapa tikuona some of the people vakawanda vari kuchicomplaina vachimuti this guy anenge a spy. Mutidze mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi pana comment section yedu mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell.